So this question says a right circular cone has a volume of 24 pi cubic inches. So let's stop there because this immediately becomes a plug-in picture question, which is a strategy that I use whenever a question describes something that can be drawn but that isn't provided to me. So a right circular cone is going to look something like this. And the right part of it is the fact that I can draw up an altitude here and a radius here, and that makes a right angle there. Okay, so right circular cone has a volume, so V is equal to 24 pi. So if we recall, on the first page of the test, we have formulas. So let's go back to that page and see, well, what is the formula for the volume of a right circular cone? So that formula is that volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. So in essence, what the question is telling us is that this 1/3 pi r squared h is equal to 24 pi. Now I can divide both sides by 1/3 pi. All right, so 1/3 pi. So this is gone, this is gone. The pi's will cross out, and then 24 divided by 1/3 is the same as 24 times 3, and then 24 times 3 is going to be equal to 72, so I'd have r squared h equals 72 right here. So let's read the second sentence. So really I got all of this information just by reading the first sentence, so let's read the second sentence and see what else we have here. So the next sentence here says, if the height of the cone is 2 inches, okay, that means this h is actually 2, which makes this 2r squared equals 72, which means I can divide both sides by 2, and that leaves me with r squared equals 36. Let's go up here for some more space. Now, if r squared is 36, I can divide both sides by, or I can square root both sides, and therefore I get r is equal to technically plus or minus 6, but I can't have a negative, I can't have a length of negative, so realistically, this is just going to be r equals 6, so that's my radius there. Okay, so then the question goes on to say, what is the radius in inches of the base of the cone? So we just found it, right? So I found that because I have the mindset of, once I get information from the question, I'm going to continue to simplify as I go. So r is equal to 6.